Oh, hello, welcome back to another video. We just went to Mini, so we're going to show you what we got. Okay.
I got a cat one. I want the Siamese one or the orange one, but I kind of don't want the tuxedo one. I know. Sorry.
All right.
And then I open it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
You have to show them.
Oh. Well, I'm too logged in. Wait, which one is this?
Whoa.
Use your muscles.
It's the... Oh, wait, that's so cute.
Is
Oh,
it calico?
that's pretty cute.
Stop.
It's the calico one.
Nice. Good stuff.
Okay.
Watch her.
Yeah.
Okay, I've had the same blind box. I want the little tuxedo
Do you want?
cat right there because it kind of looks like a couple of my cats. The one I don't want is this orange cat because I've never had a cat that was orange, and I just can't relate to it on an emotional level.
Okay.
Open it up, pop it open.
All right, let's see what I got here.
Wait, which one did you want?
I wanted the tuxedo cat.
Oh,
He
please.
doesn't want the orange.
I don't want the orange
I don't want the orange.
because I can't relate to it emotionally.
Let's see.
All right,
Wait,
let's see.
drum roll, boo.
You ready? The tuxedo cat!
Yay!
Look at him. That's pretty cute. And look. Whoop.
I know, I'm rocking with
Wow.
the little...
What are the odds you get the one you want? Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Nice. I'm rocking with
So, I'm starting off with this one. I really want the husky, but I'm okay with that little one, and I don't want this one. It looks like poop. So, okay. If I don't get mine, I'm gonna be like, really mad. Yay, it's a poodle!
Wow,
Nice.
that is
It's still cute.
Oh, I like that
Still
one.
cute.
Those are cool.
Now, and for this one, I really want like this one, and I do not want the Henny Yeti cake. But I'm okay with getting the matcha cake. Okay,
I like the matcha cake.
me too.
Yeah, I like the matcha one.
I'm so short. Okay.
Ooh, extra secret.
Extra secret. Okay. I'm okay with I got matcha!
Oh, that one's cute.
You
Good
got it.
stuff.
Okay, I have a dog one. I really, really, really want the husky. I don't really want the bull terrier one or the bulldog one. I'm okay with the Shiba Inu and the husky. But I really, really want the husky. The whole reason I bought this was for the husky.
So she's
Because you don't like bulldogs or what?
no.
No, she said she's fine with the bulldog.
Oh, what is it?
Yay!
Oh my god! What are the odds?
Nice.
Okay, you want me to stop your video? Or you want to do all of them?
I thought we were going to do the rest.
It's kind of a long
No,
video.
it's fine. Bye.